Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Hallucinations are a huge problem when it comes to large language models and RAG pipelines. Hallucination refers to the problem from the large language models where the model generates or produces information, claims, or responses that are not grounded in reality, lack evidence, or are entirely fabricated. This issue occurs when the model over rely on patterns, biases, or associations learned during training rather than relying on actual facts or context. As a result, hallucinations can lead to inaccurate, misleading, or nonsensical outputs, which can be detrimental in applications where accuracy and reliability are crucial. That is where this open source tool called as RefChecker helps out in different ways. We all know that these LLMs show a susceptibility to generate hallucinated content that can be challenging to discern, possibly leading user astray. To address this RefChecker centers on the construction of a standardized assessment framework aimed at identifying such hallucinations present in the output of LLMs. So we are going to install it locally and we will also see a demo as how it works all local. We will also see that how uh, this helps us in identifying how to define hallucinations, how to represent and extract the claims, and how to check hallucinations in our RAG pipeline or any LLM API call, plus how to benchmark LLMs on hallucinations. There are a lot of other things which are happening in this ref checker, and I will drop the link to its repo, which you can readily use. Now, I will be using it with OpenAI's model. You can use it with Anthropic, or you could use it with open source model by using Light LLM. I don't think so there is any support or option of using it with OLama or any other llama.cpp, but I think maybe in the future as it's a new project. So let's get started. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04. Though I won't be using GPU card, but this VM has the GPU card, which is NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy massed compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, so first up, as usual, let's create a virtual environment with Anaconda. Let's wait for it. It just helps us in keeping everything separate. And now let's install our ref checker with OpenAI. Let's wait for it. And that is done. Let's also download our Spacey, which is just an natural language processing library that enables us to do these NLP tasks. It's a very lightweight model with the Spacey, as you can see. And now let's git clone the repo, and I will drop the link to it in video's description of RefChecker, and that is all done. Now let me also set my OpenAI's API key, which is a paid option, and you can also obtain yours one from platform.openai.com. So let me put it here and then clear the screen. And then there is one last thing which we need to install, and that is scikit-learn intellects. Now, this is an optimized version of the scikit-learn, which is a very popular machine learning library in Python that has been developed by Intel to provide accelerated performance on Intel architectures. So, what this scikit-learn intellects does, it also provides us an accelerator on RepC. RepC is replication and entailment pattern checker, which is a component of this ref checker that evaluates the accuracy of generated responses by checking for replication and entailment or RAG patterns. So let's wait for it to get installed. That is done. Let's clear the screen. Okay, so now before I run the demo, one more thing. If you want to do the web search so that you would gather more facts from the web, you need to set this Serper API key. It uses Serper. To get that, you can go to Serper's website, and from there you can grab the API key. You will get some free credit so that you can run the demo. I already have set it in my environment. Now the good thing is that they also provide a Streamlit demo which you can run in GUI. For that you need to make few changes. So simply just open it, the RefChecker repo in VS Code or any editor of your choice. I already have opened it, as you can see here. Now once you are there in the root of the repo, go to demo on the left hand side. In the demo directory, select main.py. In main.py, make sure that on line number 23 you change the model to OpenAI GPT-4o mini, because that is what we are using, because by default it uses and Claude's Anthropic's Claude through Amazon Bedrock. If you have AWS account and if you have AWS keys and stuff, you can use still keep using that, but as I have set my OpenAI's API key, so I'm using the GPT-4o mini. Similarly, this is for extractor, and then you just need to come down a little and also set it for checker. And so these are the two changes which you need to make in line number 36 and line number 23. Save the file and then go back to your terminal. From there, simply run your Streamlit demo by running streamlit run demo main.py. It is going to open it in your browser, and if I show you here, it is just going to also download and load the model first time. That is just an NLP model which it loads. So you see it has loaded that scikit-learn extension, and it has loaded. It is going to load that model soon, and on the background you can see that it has gone with this RefChecker demo. Okay, so and for some reason it doesn't show me this anyway. So I'm just going to give it a simple text, and we will see that text for reference checking. So for example, if I just want to give it this, Sydney is the capital of New South Wales, which is a state of Australia, and it is on auto run. So as soon as I click outside of it, it is going to start running. The triplets, as you can see, triplets have been extracted. If you go to terminal, it has loaded a new model, which is around 1.4 gig. And then you see that you can select the different triplets and then go from there. But I just want to see what references it goes with, so just click on references. So these are the references that Sydney is capital of New South Wales. It has Bondi Beach, Manly Beach, and you see I didn't mention it here in the properly. So it has just got that triplet, and it's saying everything looks good as per this context, which is quite good. And then we can do the fact checking. So this is where it is checking the facts from the web by using that server, and then it is grounding those facts, and there you go. So it is checking it, and if you select here, it is showing yes, all looks good, everything looks good. It is also visualizing it here, and then everything looks good. So similarly, if you just, so what is the use case of it? So if you think about it, for example, if you have a RAG pipeline and you want to make sure whatever is being produced by the model is reference check, that whatever is model telling you is correct, you can just plug in this ref checker with that, and using these models you can double check. Also, if you are following my channel, you might have noticed that I have done another video where I have gone in and I have shown you rag checker, which is a similar tool. And rag checker is also from Amazon, then this tool is also from Amazon, and both of these tools give you a holistic view around RAG diagnostic and a solid reference checking, because with fact checking and localization, it really gives you a holistic picture, and you can have peace of mind that whatever your RAG pipeline is telling you is correct. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this ref checker, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.